Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD and welcome to the HD Physics classes. Hope so you are doing really great. So students, today we are going to solve the questions from the semiconductor. You can see very well in this diagram what is there. Diodes are there. One is the germanium diode and what is the silicon diode. Okay, so here we need little bit basics and we should know very well how to draw the equivalent diagram. If we can draw the equivalent diagram, this question can be solved in a minutes. So see here, the question is, in the given circuit, the voltage across load resistance RL is how much here? Okay, so when we are seeing this diagram, what we have to do? First thing is that we should know the breakdown voltage of the germanium and silicon diode, and we have to identify whether this diode is forward base and reverse base. So here please, this is the P side and this is also P side of the diode. So both the P sides is directly connected to which terminal? Positive terminal. That means here both the diodes are forward bias. Okay, so what I am going to do here, I am just going to draw here the equivalent diagram is there. So here please, equivalent diagram. Now two diodes are there, so two batteries I have connected here. Here resistance and here also I have connected the resistance. And here how much there? 15 volt. This is how much? 1.5 kilo ohm. And this load resistance how much? 2.5 kilo ohm. Now you should know very well what is the breakdown voltage for the germanium. What is the breakdown voltage for the germanium? It will oppose now. So here 0.3 volt here. For the silicon, what is there? 0.7 volt. Germanium 0.3 volt and silicon how much? 0.7 volt. So you can see very well now. This is the 15 volt. This 15 volt have to just overcome how much? 0.7 and 0.3. That means total how much? 1 volt. Okay, that means anyhow the current will flow. But remember that here, minimum how much battery is needed? The battery should be more than 1 volt. Then only it can overcome this 1 volt. Otherwise, the current will not flow. Please make sure that if this battery potential is less than 1 volt, the current will not flow. The current will flow when the battery potential is more than 1 volt. And here how much voltage is there? 15 volt. That means anyhow the current will flow. Okay, great. So now, how much current is there? Let's take the current is I here. No? This current I and this current is also I. So what I am going to do, I am going to apply the KVL in this direction is there. Okay, let me put this plus, this minus, this plus, this minus, and see. Current is flowing in this direction. So in this resistor plus, minus. Here also plus, minus. Here in this direction current is flowing. Okay, and now I am going to apply the KVL from here. So what we can write here from KVL? From KVL. Whenever we are moving in the direction of the, let's take we are moving in this direction. See, I have taken A, B, C, D. Okay, so I am moving in this direction. A, B, C, D, A. Okay, so like this we are moving. We have to take always which sign? We have to always take second sign here. Okay, so when I am moving from A to B, the second sign is what? Plus here. Now this plus. This plus is the, we are moving from A to B, second sign. So what to write here? 15. Again, B to C means second sign. Minus 0.3 minus 0.7 minus. Okay, current how much is there? I into 1.5. So we can write here 1.55. Remember that when the resistance in kilo ohm, then current will come in milliampere automatically. No need to involve in 10 to the power 3 minus 3 and all that. Resistance kilo ohm, current will come in milliampere. Very simple. Okay, so minus 1.55. Next one in this direction, minus 2.5i. Now, and again we have reached where? We have reached here equal to 0. So what this will come here? See, this 15 minus 0.3 minus 0.7 minus 1. Minus 1.55 minus 2.5 here, what will become here? It will become here 4i is equal to 0. So we can write here very easily, this 14 minus 4i is equal to 0. That means I how much? I will come 14 by 4. Okay, 14 by 4. So when you will simplify this here, 14 by 4 means 4 3 is 12. And okay, just simplify. It will come 3.5 milliampere. Again, I am telling resistance in kilo ohm means current will come in a milliampere. After that, in the question, what they are asking? They are asking voltage across load resistance. Where is the load resistance? Load resistance is here. So here the current is coming how much? I. So here voltage across the load resistance, that means VL is given by I into RL. I how much? 3.5 milliampere. Okay. Resistance how much? 2.5 kilo ohm. That means milliampere 10 to the power minus 3, kilo ohm 10 to the power plus 3. Both will balance out. So 3.5 into 2.5, when you will multiply here, anyhow you have to just multiply. Answer will come 8.75 volt. And which option is correct here? Just see here. The correct answer is here option A. Okay students, Keep studying, keep growing.